Alright, this is a 1950s Arctic Air 12-inch table fan, model P121A. This is made by F.A. Smith, which is more commonly known as Fasco, before they were called Fasco. See if we can get in here at that badge. I got this fan from a estate sale. It was buried in the corner of the barn, and I got it for really cheap. Lady said she guaranteed that it wouldn't still work, and it actually runs basically perfect still. It's in really nice shape, besides a little bit of paint peel at the base and the top of the grill being a little flat. Show you the model tag down here. It's only one speed, so let's fire it up. Head kind of vibrates around a little bit and makes it sound like it hums, but it's really not that loud. Sitting on a metal toolbox doesn't help a whole lot. It's kind of wore out. Very, very powerful. Go ahead and turn the oscillator on. Really smooth running fan. Shut it off. And of course the furnace is going to come on. I haven't done anything to this fan besides brush a little bit of dirt off of it. I haven't even put any oil in the bearings. This is just how good it ran when I got it. But yeah, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching.